Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning into this video. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to bleach your knots, well, how to apply bleach to the knots of your lace to give you that more natural looking scalp like, you know, feel, look and everything. Alright, so first thing you want to do, especially as a beginner, is to make sure to put your gloves on, get your skin protected, because that chemical that you're about to use will burn your skin. Okay, so I'm going to use some leftover basic white that I have here, which will be about 1.5 scoops, which should be able to cover all 4 of these 4x4 lace closures that I have here. Right, so as you can see, I'm just emptying the sachets into a little glass bowl, and then I'll make my mixture in that same container. Now you can use a ceramic or a plastic mixing bowl as well, but do not use a metal bowl under any circumstance. Alright, so I'm just going to put the rest of the powder into the bowl, and then we can use one of 2 mixtures, well, one of 2 developers. So we can use a cream developer or a liquid developer, which I'll show you in just a minute here. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I will be using a liquid developer. That one with the red is the cream developer, but I'm using this liquid 40 volume developer today. Alright, so we're just going to add that very sparingly to our powder and mix as we go along. I'm just using a plastic spatula to mix my cream for bleaching, and as you can see, I put just a little bit in there, and I'll just mix it into a dough, and then I'll just add a little bit more liquid as I go along. As you can see, less is more here, and I'm taking my time just to make sure I don't get too much of a runny mixture when I'm done, because the aim is to get a consistency close to that of like mayonnaise or even toothpaste, right? So if you're good at kneading dumplings, guys, you can definitely get this done. All right, so that should be enough. So I'm just gonna put our 40 volume developer away and continue to mix this until it's fully uniformed, no lumps. All right, so make sure you mix it up properly. You give it a little bit of a whisking motion just to get it done. Alright, and once you have that mixed, then you're getting ready to start applying it to your lace, right? One thing I will advise that you can do is to keep a spray bottle with H2O close by for 2 reasons. One, you can use that to tame flyaways. As you can see, I'm just applying that water to the hair on my lace, and I'm just slicking it back to make sure none of those hairs get bleached in the process. The second purpose of that water bottle close by is if any of the bleach should get on your hair, you just want to take a few squirts and get that off, and it will deactivate the process, so the hair won't actually get bleached, right? I have a few wigs to make today, so as you can see, I'm doing 4 closures at once. 2 of those are customers bring your own bundles. They brought those closures, and 2 of them are from my line of inventory, which I'm actually using to make some embossed beauty wigs. Right, you see that? Nice and slicked back. Then you're going to lay it down on the side that has the hair with the lace exposed, so that we can go ahead and add the bleach to get started. Now when you're adding your bleach, the technique I use is that of spreading jam onto toast. So you're just gonna take your time with it, real slow process, right? Don't rush it, because you don't want to overdo anything, and you want to do it very nice and gentle, trying to avoid pressing in that formula into the lace and getting it onto the hair. So very lightly, you'll just spread that onto your lace. Okay guys, so it looks as if our closures are ready to be rinsed. Alright, and here's our final product after we've removed all the bleach from the hair, shampooed, conditioned, and toned. Alright, so you see that guys? Nice and scalp-like. Let's take a look at all of them. Alright, separate so you can see what's going on in. Ooh, OMG, that is beautiful. Now let's take a look at the curly one. Okay. Alright, can you say scalpiana? Yes, yes, yes. Guys, trust me, this is just, you won't need any ball cap beneath these wigs when I'm through slaying. Right? But anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. You know, keep following my page to get more informative videos like these. Thank you guys so much.